Are you looking for a job? Make recruiters come to you with LinkedIn's Open to Work feature. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to enable it and boost your chances of landing your next opportunity. Let's get started. First, go to your LinkedIn profile. Below your profile, you will see Open to, click it, and a pop-up will appear. Choose Find a New Job to let recruiters know that you are available. After that, you will see your preferences, so you can adjust this to a specific position that you're looking to fill in. For example, in my case, I want to be an account manager this time. So job titles and choose your location types. I would prefer remote location, and you can add your location. You can also adjust your start date, either immediately or flexible. You can also choose your employment types, either full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, or internship. So in the visibility, you can choose whether it's for recruiters only or all LinkedIn members. So what is the purpose of this? This will show them that you are open to work based on your preferences here. Now click Save. Okay, for my case, I want recruiters only. Click Save. That's it. In your profile, you will see Open to Work, Account Manager roles, and you can click Show Details. Okay, so I think this is how they will see your profile if you have set it to Open to Work setting. A bonus tip, keep your profile updated with relevant skills and experience to increase your chances of getting noticed. And that's it. Now your profile is set to attract job opportunities effortlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more LinkedIn tips. See you in the next one.